I love about green woodworking is you actually start off with nothing. You start off with a lump of wood, which you then...
I'll show you what I do. Got this to put inside.
What's the big appeal of the lathe for you?
I think it's instant results.
This far?
I never thought that you could get as far as sawing a straight line, Jess.